Yes, we don't carry that program coming at the mouth again. I want to be the name of the program. Yarn your own. Where they come from your #1 TV station, your Ogbonge TV station, Wazobia TV. My name now Unkubi. Chapali, as usual, at my front. Chapali, talk to our viewers, I beg. Hail them.
And they greet her.
And then next to Chapali na BODO Budo.
Abepo, and the great winner.
And then, as usual, Big Bash, stay for house.
My people.
Big Bash, correct guy.
I salute.
And then, our mama of the house, stay for house. Iye.
My people.
Iye, how you dey?
Yeah, mama.
Fine. My people, Nado.
So we don't gather again to talk about matters we concern us, we also concern our viewers we did there. Well, before we enter into today's topic, make we first go see this Baba Tokpe's episode where they entitled Baba Tokpe Wins a Lotto. They come. Mama Tokpe, sweetheart.
Mama Tokpe, you sound so excited.
Look. The word excited is an understatement. Look, as a matter of fact, I have just ordered that 2 more titles should be imported and added to the title I have already. In short, I am swimming in money right now.
You're in money. Hey! Okobi, don't worry. Where did you get the money from?
Where I got the money from? In short, I won a lotto.
Hey! You win a lotto.
A lotto. You know what, Mama Tokpe? I want you to go in right now. Pack all your things. I am coming to take you away from that place.
Okay, I will do it. Baba Tokpe, which cloth can I take? Is it winter cloth or summer cloth? Where are we going? Is it Brazil or UK?
I never knew you had this kind of big dream to travel out of the country. Look, where are you? Listen. In fact, I am taking you and sending you back to your mother and your father's place. As a matter of fact, I'm sending you back to Ijebibo. Ijebibo, I'm sending you back there.
You can't try it. Maro. Hey! Over your dead body, Baba Tokpe. Hey! Don't try it.
If I try it, I shouldn't try what? I'm sending you back to Ijebibo.
Baba Tokpe.
Only us landed. Oh baby, look. But the name of a topic, they don't just mention the name anyhow. You must be, that is, for you to win the title, you need to rub the hair very well. Don't be carrot everything, carrot in my body. Baby. Yes, welcome back. Now don't say that.
You're serious.
You see?
What?
Because you get money.
What? I mean, I just have to redefine my life, sis. Yes, I have to redefine my life. You know, say once you don't attain a particular level, a lot of things about you will change. So I'm trying to redefine my life, trying to at least tell myself, so, look, I need to upgrade. So make we leave that side.
I pity you.
That Baba Tokpe episode do not see, they bring us to the topic of today. And what will be the topic of today? Divorce and the effects we surround that. Divorce. But the thing is, the first question I will first ask, what will be divorce?
Divorce now, when husband and wife, they don't date together, they don't marry. All of a sudden, in the middle of it, they just say, sorry, I can't do it again. I am tired of you. That is divorce.
They bring her from the angle of women because now women will say, sorry, I'm tired of you.
Yes.
Man,
But
In the case of men, say, you've been too inquisitive. So, because of that, Why?
That's something they do.
Well,
Now, the man always have you do. You know, something do man own. What man will say, yes.
okay, well,
Sister, I don't want to again. You hear me?
but what can be the causes of divorce? Now, waiting and waiting they lead to, because this is now very very sensitive matter.
So many things. So many things leads to divorce. The first one is misunderstanding.
Okay.
Don't they get misunderstanding for house? I talk to you, you know here, you go there, you don't go there. Before you know it, they start to fight for divorce. So that one major reason with me I know say they cause divorce.
Yeah, you agree with them?
No. The one where they flirt around,
The one that fed around. Now you will be your husband. Now you go call your wife now, talk to her now. That this is what they do, say no good.
If he don't talk to them, he don't go in parents' plate, make them talk to them. He don't go the people where they tell them about them. Counselor, thank you. People where they cancel. They don't talk to the man or the woman. He no agree. He say no. Now the thing where they do.
Wait.
Make I say. And Yoruba say, ìyàwó tí ò bá ìyàwó tó ń ṣe jìnnà tí ò bá pọkọ á parẹ́. Thank you. The one where they do, where they flirt around. If you not kill himself, he go kill your husband.
Yes.
Wait. See.
Wait, but I mean, sharply, hold on a bit.
Okay.
Bash, because Bash just is
for my own
laugh
uncle,
underground.
I know say marriage na termination by court judgment. For now, I believe say if the connection between you and the woman is not going far, don't wait for the judgment to terminate your marriage. Terminate it by yourself.
Wait.
Tell her to go. If the connection is not moving far, as you talk now, it's like women where they flirt around. If you see woman where they flirt around, say, but this thing is not good.
But wait,
my friend,
Bash,
go back to your family.
You go say, Bash, he say make the man terminate or the woman make it terminate the marriage. He say,
make it.
You know, say before the marriage, now don't get agreement. You get where now go seal up in a marriage.
Yes.
She know the right for now to also go that place say make now terminate the marriage.
You know, say that same place so be saying now join the marriage together. Now aside that same place, some people too they terminate their marriage. Now judge.
So what you try to tell me now is say in your own shoes, from your own angle, you feel say divorce now better thing. Say in case if you don't find yourself in a situation, say just go ahead and then.
If you don't find yourself in a situation where you are not comfortable, you are free to go.
Where the man go they beat you every day.
Peace no go there for family.
Hold on.
Sorry,
he say one ask a question.
I know buy that idea. More look at from this angle. That day where you carry the woman go say, okay, I want marry her. At least not be that day where you say you say you want marry her. Una don't cut. You don't know the do's and the don'ts of each other. You understand? Now, and that place where una go do the way they say two shall become one.
Yes.
So you get?
Yeah.
Now don't become one. So I think say if that kind of thing they happen, you go call her. As if you say not be bone of your bone and flesh of your flesh. You go call her and tell her, this and these are what you are doing that I don't like.
Yes.
Please change.
Yes.
Divorce is not supposed to be the last option.
Yes.
Okay.
If you not change, or him not change.
Because you know say as you don't go that place when I go do that thing when I don't do. People then okay as you will be man. You know say no don't get misunderstanding. You go there again, go report. Call your wife again, go there. Then we'll settle that matter.
Go where, go report. How many times you don't want your wife? Make you don't do this. Make you don't do now. Your wife does not picking.
Their own work, you will be husband.
Okay, wait, sorry. Now they look at from the angle of wife. This one at the talk, myself, they faulty.
See,
it is the two people in this relationship are faulty.
Yeah.
Okay, they look
Like
at
for
from,
instance, let me just chip in. It's a typical example like people where they suffer domestic violence, which of course now one of the causes.
When we say the man, they beat
You
her.
understand?
He said,
So now women they suffer this thing pass, and the woman they beat for house too often. What do you expect make you do?
Even some of these women doesn't fight for divorce.
Okay,
Because
but now one of the causes.
That's one of the causes. But for the case of cause of their children, they try to endure.
Okay.
Because they know if they divorce at that age or at that time, it's going to affect their kids. So I don't think divorce should be the last option.
Bash.
or the number they say domestic violence. Before wife go, now man be the head of the house, shebi. Before wife go in your husband house, in parents don't tell am say, nah, family this thing they go. So anything where you see, abide to the rules and the regulation. Anything where you they face, just make sure say you just stay there. No be something where go come back. Oh. Anything where they face, no matter how violation that person be, whether they drink or they, just make sure say you sit down in the face. Now, yes, if the husband they drink, no matter how, now he get the money, now he be the baba of the house.
So for that reason, make the wife they contain all these things.
The wife go know how to the pump or you know all those rubbing all these stuff.
Nothing want to tell you now. Say you hope say you know be husband and wife. Even though I guess small quarrel, you will quarrel. Hey, you know call myself. No, so no say you go to shout out outside. People go to come they put my matter for our own. You say this is that I must now and support now. You know cost many things. Up to 1 million children die for the fate of this.
Because of divorce, yes, according to statistics, up to 1 million children die because of divorce.
Because
he's right.
Because this your husband and wife the thing that affect children.
Exactly.
If 4 million children they die because of this, let the woman cooperate. If anything where they face.
Let me put this down. Let me briefly may I drop this one. Okay, still on Bash. The talk say make woman they contain anything way come her way.
Yes.
Even if the man they beat them, they do it because of success, you don't accept to say we go live whether in good or in bad. For instance, a typical alcoholic person.
Okay.
You understand? A typical alcoholic person where they drink too often, you say you come. Next thing, because you no go play a role as you no go play responsibility as the man of the house. Every time they spend money on drink rather than attending to the family needs. You understand? What do you expect make the wife do? But meanwhile, what you go up now we say we'll quickly go for break. And when we come back, we'll still continue where we stop. So make we quickly go for this break. Make we go drink water.